Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my video, Spices and Condiments. This video is in English. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Salt, salt, salt. Pepper, pepper, pepper. In some languages, the g are p, but the g, and in some other languages, but the g are p. This is called aspiration, and in English we don't say but the g usually, especially at the beginning, the start of words. We say p, t, k. So this is not pepper, this is pepper. P. Okay, good. Next one, paprika, paprika, paprika. Cinnamon, cinnamon, cinnamon. Cloves, cloves, cloves. One clove, a clove, plural, cloves. Ginger, ginger, ginger. Vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. British English, curry powder, curry powder, curry powder. American English, curry powder, curry powder, curry powder. Saffron, 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 saffron. British English, cumin, cumin, cumin. American English, cumin, cumin, cumin. Maybe you remember in my 11 spring flowers video, there was British English tulip, tulip, and American English tulip, tulip. As you can see, tulip, tulip, cumin, cumin. It's a system. British and American English are different, and it's logical a bit. Okay, next one. Caraway, caraway, or caraway seeds, caraway seeds. Now, I am from the Czech Republic, which is in the middle of Europe, a European country. For me, caraway or caraway seeds is a normal kind of spices. We use it all the time. It's in our bread, in our boiled potatoes. We put caraway everywhere. But cumin is not a very European spice to use. I can see it in Indian cuisine, for example. So when I cook Indian, I can use cumin, which is the taste is very strong. But caraway, the taste isn't very strong, and this is for our cuisine. Be careful. It's very important not to put cumin in when you want caraway, because the taste is completely different. Okay, in British English, chili powder has double L, and in American, chili powder has one L. That's the difference. So 2 L's and 1 L. Sorry, my mobile doing things. Star anise, star anise, star anise. And nutmeg, nutmeg, nutmeg. Now, I chose these spices because these spices are relatively common, pretty normal in my country. These are the spices I have in my kitchen, for example. But what about you? Maybe you live in a different country. Maybe your country's cuisine means all the traditional food, is different. Tell me in the comments which of these spices you use. I use caraway, I use paprika, I don't know. And also tell me if you use any other spices. What do you like? in your food. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And that's about it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.